So anyway, those of you who love working on your car and stuff, you're going to love this buy one get one free tool deal from Milwaukee, because either one of these two battery starter kits that you buy here, one of your free tools is the M18 inflator, and that's one that everybody likes to get because, look at the price of this thing. It's $179 normally. So if you can get it free while buying a couple of batteries and a charger, fine. Okay, so the way these buy one get one free tool deals work here is if you get the M18 starter kit that has two of the XC 5.0 batteries, see, that's more like what you expect to see, two beefy batteries, or if you want to spend a little more and get the 2-pack of the XC 6.0 batteries, then you'll get a free tool. And then also, if you buy this particular 2-tool combo kit that has the 5 amp hour batteries in it, that will also give you a free tool as well. You can also get the hex impact driver, the recip saw, here you go, and the impact wrench with the friction ring too. Or how about another lithium battery, the XC 6.0, and the router. Or you can also get the radio. Now there's a lot more, I guess, online as well too that you can take a look at. So I'll put the link to their buy one get one free tool deal online that you can check it out there. Yeah, so some other popular ones that you can get for free here too are the 18-volt multi-tool. And the jigsaw is always a very, very popular tool on Black Friday buy one get one free tool deals. And of course you got the Rover, it's the triple panel light right there, the floodlight. You can also get the 6.5-inch circ saw. Or you can get the blower, that's their smaller one I imagine, even though it is a fuel. And you can get the 5-inch grinder as well. You can also get the hex impact driver, the recip saw. Here you go, and the impact wrench with the friction ring too. Or how about another lithium battery, the XC 6.0, and the router. Or you can also get the radio. Now there's a lot more, I guess, online as well too that you could take a look at. So I'll put the link to their buy one get one free tool deal online that you can check it out there. Now hopefully your store might still have these. I love these. These are the deep sockets here, the 9-piece half-inch drive impact socket set. And these are $49.97 for this. What I really like about these is the very large engraved white letters. Very, very easy to read. You'll never ever be wondering what size is this socket. Not like the chrome ones where you can barely see it. And you might still have a few of these left over too. You want to check this out. This is your 6-piece SDS Plus kit right here. And look at this, you got some real nice concrete drilling bits, very powerful. But I'm liking this one here. You got the fork cutter and the chisel on there as well. So look at this. This will cut right through concrete with rebar. $34.97 on these. Okay, so this right here is Milwaukee's billet torpedo level. Now what's cool about this one is it's supposed to have the strongest magnets on them. You see those magnets right there? But the only thing is I just have a hard time justifying that price, $33.97. That seems a little bit steep for a bullet level. Now this one I love because it not only does it look beautiful, but it's made out of aluminum, and so it's nice and perfectly straight metal. And I use this a lot when I'm doing kitchen cabinets. So this is down to $26.97. And Milwaukee also has some of these tool racks and little extra accessories you can get for your Packout boxes. So for example, you got this one here. There's your toolbox. That's a caddy attachment right there. So that will hold some tools on it. But then look at this right over here. I like this one. You have your Packout M18 battery attachment. So these will attach to the back of your Packout tower, and it will hold 3 batteries there. And they have others here too, wall basket, some magnetic bins. And usually every year at Black Friday, Milwaukee does this too. This is great. This is the whole dozer kit. And I guarantee you, if you bought this as a gift for somebody, they would be very, very happy, especially if they're in the trade. So this right here will allow you to drill some common holes. So this is an 8-piece kit, especially if you're drilling like the back of cabinets or drilling through drywall for pipes and things like that. $29.97. And then for a limited time, they've got this Milwaukee kit right here, 1/4-inch hex screwdriver kit. And look what it comes with. So it comes with the electric screwdriver itself, an M12 battery. Remember, this is on the 12-volt platform. And this whole deal right here is $59. Now right here, you can get this M18 Packout. They've got right here, it's a 6-bay rapid charger. I would just double check to make sure that it's a simultaneous charger. But anyway, this kit also comes with 2 M18 HOs, so that's the XC 6.0 amp hour batteries, and it also has 2 of the XC 5.0 batteries. So that's a great way to beef up some batteries right there with a big old charger. But this one's not for the faint of heart, folks. And if you know somebody who's into mechanic work and doing work on their cars, here's a great kit right here. Here is an M18 brushless kit. So this is the 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench right there, along with the ratchet. So the electric ratchet is cool because this allows you to get into different parts of your engine, you know, where you would sit there with a wrench all day going crazy. But the fact that this is a motorized ratchet really makes the job go faster. And then you also have the 19-piece 1/2-inch drive. This is the deep socket set, and so that's why it's a little bit pricier, because it's, but I also like the white letters that are engraved onto the side. It makes them very easy to figure out what size you're looking at. And they've also got the impact duty 43-piece set. So this has both SAE and metric in it, and there's the kit right there, so $99 for that. All right, so continuing on with the Milwaukee Gift Zone stocking stuffers. This is very popular. I've bought a few of these. I have actually several sets of these that I've bought. So this is the 7-inch rafter square and the 4.5-inch trim square, and these started off kind of high this year at $19.97. They used to be something like $14.97, and in some cases we would get them as low as like $11 or something like that after Christmas. They've also got, for the same $19.97 here, the 2-pack, the 6-in-1 fastback utility knife set. And for the same $19.97, you can also get a 2-pack of the 25-foot tape measures. And also at that same $19.97 level, we have here the Ream and Punch. These are your 6-inch and 10-inch straight jaw pliers. So Milwaukee also has here, and I like this wrench set here, so this is really cool. I like how they colored in red all of the engraved numbers for the sizes. And this is your Max Bite combination wrench. If you've never seen the Max Bite before, it's got those ridges right on there. See, that kind of gives it a little bit more bite into the nuts. And you got your measurements there on both sides. This one, now I am surprised at this. Look at that price, $49.97. It says that it was $124. So it comes in a SAE here, or the black one is metric. And then here you have the ratchet set with a 4-degree arc swing. It has the 4 flat sides on the sockets. So this one is down to $119.99. And every year they always do some type of Packout organizer kit set. So this one is cool because it's got 90 pieces in it, all different impact bits and different adapters. And this one is $49.88. So yeah, if you have a Packout system, or the red boxes and the towers, the rolling boxes, this is compatible with that. This will plug on top of those. Now I bought this here last year. I thought this was just so incredible, and it's beautiful. You got all 3 sizes of pipe cutter here in the same container. So this is your close quarters copper tubing cutter set, and they don't have the price on it, so we'll post it here on the screen. They've also got the 2-piece adjustable wrench set. And I like it. The bigger one goes up to 1 3/8 inches, which I like. You know, it's not very common to find wrenches above an inch, and you know, they don't often come in kits that you get either. So it's nice to be able to find it at least separately like this. And here's Milwaukee's answer to the channel locks. So these here are your 10 and 12-inch smooth jaw plier sets. And yes, I knew Milwaukee would come through for us here at Home Depot and put the Packouts on sale. So here's what they're doing. The Packouts are part of a buy more, save more deal that's going on right now. And so if you spend more than $399, you'll get $150 off. But in this case, see, the tower only costs $348 normal. I like how they say everyday low price. That is not a low price, my friends. These used to be $275 before the Black Friday price. This is going back to like pre-COVID. But anyways, so because it's only $348,
it falls in this range, so they take $90 off. So you're getting your Packout now for $258.94. And that is this standard tower right here, the rolling tower. The bottom box is the large one with the wheel. You get the medium box here, and then this one here is usually for holding your drills and your impact drivers and some of your bits. In fact, I actually brought my Milwaukee tumbler with me today, and these are compatible here too. They fit inside your Packouts here too. They clip right on the top. This is a great price too on the M18 dual base simultaneous rapid charger, $99. So it will charge 2 batteries at the same time in rapid formation. Now I have this too. This is awesome. This is called the top off inverter. It's a 175 watt power supply. It also has a rafter hook on it as well. This runs off of the M18 battery, and this will give you 120 volts out. So you can plug in something like a lamp or a charger. And these are $99.
But if you're smart, you'll go online and buy it, where you can get it for the same $99, but it comes with a free battery.
And then you can also get for $79 XC 3.0 batteries. This is a 2-pack for $79. This is one of my favorites too. This is the M18 Rocket Light, the dual power tower light. And so it's down to $179 from $249. You know, back in the 2019 time frame, $179 used to be the regular RP price on this guy. And this is another popular one that they always do here at Black Friday. And this is that 12 volt kit. Oh yeah, $99. So Milwaukee has a couple of deals here that are $99 and $199. So here you have a 1/2-inch hammer drill driver kit. I like that. It's a hammer drill. That means you can go into concrete really easy. That one's $99. And then the Hex impact driver is $99 by itself. And then if you wanted to get both of them together as a tool combo kit, then you would get this kit right here for $99, but you're not really saving anything over each other. And then they always do the sunglasses every year, and these are $7.97, and the safety glasses as well. You got clear and you got the sunglasses. You got different shades there. They're all $7.97. And Milwaukee also has this tool combo kit. That's what it kind of looks like, all broken out right there. You have the drill driver and the impact driver, and then you've got 2 CP 2.0 batteries and a charger and a bag. All of that, and remember these are compact, by the way, for $179, down from $249.